Good morning, everyone. Aradhna Tiwari from Be the Change by Aradhna. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm Access Consciousness Certified Facilitator and your friend to take today's question. Waiting for all of you to join in. Good morning, Darsha. Good morning. Good morning, Pooja. Good morning. How's the morning? How's the Josh? How's it going? Any questions? Hi, Amishi again. Good morning, sweetheart. Hi, Maddie. Good morning. Any questions coming up? What's showing up in your words? How's life? What's going on? Thank you for saying that, Maddie. I love the way you say good morning, beautiful smile. That's so sweet. Thanks. Hi, Simran. Good morning, sweetheart. Hello, Mesh. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, India. Good morning, Insta. Hi, Deepti. Hello again. Good morning. So, what's the question today? Is like go deep inside you, and Uish can have the question. Sorry. I noticed this. Yeah, go within and experience ease and peace. Thanks, Umesh. So go within and experience ease and peace. Hi Shivangi, good morning. So what is going within for you guys? Have anybody so we always look for the peace and ease outside our world, and we want the world to be stopping, shutting down, and we have the ease and peace. Would the noise outside ever settle down? How are you today? I am lovely. Thanks, Simran. Thank you so much for all your contributions, guys. So thank you for asking. So this is actually experiencing the peace and the ease within. So which when I'm working on myself, it's like what do actually is paranoia in my head, and what panics me, what gets anxiety. Hi Monica darling, good Mona darling. Monica क्यों निकल रहा आज? Mona, you good morning. So what is actually going within yourself? So for me, it was like the ease and the peace I have to have within my head. How my chatter, I think the only ease and the peace I look for myself within is the chatter in my head, which goes on 24/7. And earlier it was my chatter. Good morning, Sahista. So love you too, Mona. So it's like now it's like not my chatter. I'm aware that I'm actually picking everybody else's chatter around me. So it took me like I really practiced this within myself. And if it's like, for me, it's that game of like who is telling in my that this is happening, that's going on, and that's my mind, and which I've recognized. And when my mind starts talking, I know this is talking, and that's when I lose the peace and the ease in my world, and I'm like, okay, what else is possible here? So then I'm like, okay, I'm gonna look at it, and then I actually go, what is the panic here? And is this panic mine? Are these thoughts mine? Are this uncomfortability mine? And which is not. It's just that everything is happening around you, and your body is being the sensory organ. So all the sensory organs actually pick up everything happening around you. So what if you start actually acknowledging it? So I give this question to everyone: what am I aware of? What am I aware of? Rather than actually making anything yours, but you'll get it when you'll get it. So at least start working on it, and look what actually gives you ease, what actually gives you peace. Maybe laughing out loud is peaceful for you. Maybe for some people, when they're watching Saas Bahu serials, that might be ease and peace for themselves. When some people gossiping might be ease and peace for them. So do not go on the ease and peace of what other world says. What is ease and peace for you? Good morning, Payal. Good morning, Vijay. Good morning, Ashif. Good to see you, Ashif, after long. So look within yourselves, each one of you today, and ask what does that ease in your world looks like, and what does peace in your world look like? What if it's not the peace, it's not the definition of what dictionary shows peace as, what the world shows the peace and the ease as? Maybe your ease and peace is much different than mine ease and peace and anybody else's ease and peace. So you might be maybe playing and that might be ease and peace for you. Maybe going out, for some people traveling might be ease and peace. For some people screaming might be ease and peace. So what is your ease and peace, and what will it take for you guys to actually have that? And what is stopping you to have that ease and peace? Who you think will come outside from outside and give you that ease and peace. Nobody else other than you. So you are the creator of your own reality. You are the creator of that ease and peace. Everywhere you're finding that ease and peace outside. And somebody other day was saying that how it's charity begins from home, but I always say charity begins from within. And if you actually start looking in your world, maybe you might be just playing, and maybe for kids, a lot of kids, it's like playing video games might be ease and peace for them. So don't make others ease and peace as yours. Start looking for your ease and peace and go within yourself, and today gift yourself with that. Are you willing to gift yourself? Hello Alka, good morning. So anybody who wants to share what ease and peace is for you here on this platform, whosoever I present, anybody of you wants to say anything around it? That's my take. So I don't want to like really say more about it, because I want you guys to actually go and figure out in your world, and I'm here just like, if any confusions, anything that is coming up and you don't want a validation around it, I can give you, I can say the tastu for it. I like charity begins from within. Yes, it begins from within, and everything, when that it's so filled, everything out just flows. So wonder what that is. And I'm starting with the out of control journal tomorrow, which lasts for 15 days if you want to be going out of your definitions and limitations. But I'm sure you guys don't like to go out of control. You might like to be more controlled and have a controlled life. So don't join it if you really want it. If you really want to be out of control, as interesting point of view is already going, and what if we'll add out of control to it, wonder what that will be in our worlds. So if you really want to join in, please join in. It starts tomorrow morning, and we have almost, I think, 4 calls, Zoom calls on it, if you guys want to come and experience it. Shopping and eating is so peaceful, pure Punjabi. Awesome, Maddie. Valle valle. That's beautiful. Yeah. So, and I remember there was a time shopping was my ease and peace. Now it's not. For me now, sitting at home, chilling out, facilitating my classes, and chit-chatting with you all is ease and peace. Thanks, Ritu, for sharing. Simran says, ease and peace, so true. We find it from the outside, but let's look inside instead. Yes, thank you. Hey, Monica, good morning, sweetie. Ease and peace for me is to do and be what I like to. Yes. Hi, Sangeeta. Good morning, Sangi. Should we be satisfied or keep choosing? There is one, remember, Vijay, remove all the shoulds and musts in your life. It's just a choice. And why would you not keep choosing? Why at any given point of time would you still? And this whole ask of more is like amazing. It's such a gift that you keep asking more and more and more and more. And don't make your ask wrong. And that whole urge of having more in life is not wrong. What if you experience, it's like, you've tasted one thing, you want to move and have more new things each day. What if you actually keep going on and on? Who says that stick? And sometimes I just think that we buy one house, we live in one house, we live in one city, and we live in one space for eons of years. And that we call as home, rather than we have this one life in this body. What if we experience every part of the world, going into nooks and corners, and every place is your home? And if you don't have to really be attached to your own houses and places, what if the world is your platform, and what if the world is your home? What will that look like? And new people, new beings meeting. It's like how we were wild, but then we have been civilized, and we had to create a society and live one place. Otherwise, I love the lives of nomads, where they keep moving and experiencing, and different spaces, different places, different people. And why would you not like to experience everything, new thing? For me, that's such a ask these days. Like, wow, moving the world, meeting the people, and you can find comfort wherever. If you're comfortable in your skin, if you're comfortable in your body, you can be comfortable anywhere. It's just a choice. So Alka says, I was watching your live on FB on the Interesting Point of View group. You're everywhere in my reality right now. Oh, thanks, Alka. Thank you. I guess I have started acknowledging, and I was like, yesterday I think I was talking to my team. I was like, don't you think I'm like everywhere these days? And they're like, yeah, Radha Chari. I'm like, yeah. I think that gets me peace and ease and fun. And it's actually out of my joy that I love talking to you, and because the way you guys all love me and pamper me, it's just fun and keep coming and chattering. You know how much I talk, and I love talking to you guys. Thank you so much for listening to me. Ease and peace with Aradhana. Thank you, Simran. Sangeeta says, I love that. Thank you, Sangeet. Shavi, hello, good morning. What if energy of the house is a new every moment? Yes, Ritu, definitely. Of every person, every being, everything is new every morning, every new moment. People say 18 I think in Hindus they say 86,000 yonis or something like that. For me, that is every second, every moment is one lifetime. So you live those 86,000 yonis or whatever in one lifetime itself. That's what I get out of that. I'm like, okay, every moment is one lifetime. So every new moment is a new moment and a new life, and every person around with you is new person. If you actually live from that space, what life would that be? Yet I would like to, because I like to move around the world. I like to see the world in different spaces and places. And I remember my dad used to say, it's like, you can move the world and you can go travel the world, but the peace lies within you. And I so remember him all the time now, and I get it because I've traveled the world. So it like really the world looks the same everywhere, and wherever I open my eyes, the world looks the same to me now. And but then I was like, I have to experience it before I can say that, Dad. And now I can say it, because and I would not stop anybody for that reason. I mean, go experience yourself. We want to give our own experiences to other people, and tell them to like enjoy it from my plate. I mean, I'm having a bite in my mouth. How can you taste the same, have the same pleasure as I am having? So don't miss on your pleasures because other people are telling you the experience that it was good, it was bad, it was right, it was wrong. Go experience, go explore. And you know how we don't want kids to do something what we have done it, but we did it, and that's when we came to know. And maybe you did it different and you had the different experience. When the other person does it, it'll be a different experience. And I always used to say, like, don't stop me doing it. My mom would stop me, and I'm like, don't do it, because let me experience it, and when I'll have it, and I'll let you know. Don't tell me your experiences right now. Let me be a child. I'm a child right now. Let me be a child. When I'll be a mother, I'll see how my kids, because every time I would do something, my mother would say, when you will have kids, then you will know. I said, then no. Right now I'm your kid. Be here. So you know how we really want to push people, and we always see through our eyes. When we are tired, we want to tell kids, oh, you must be tired. You don't do this because you don't want to do it. That's when you're telling other people don't do it. And if you have some work, you're like, do you have some work? Do you want to go? Because you want to go, you start making that excuses. So now I started listening to the world, and I listen to the people. I'm like, okay, that's what the other person is wanting. It's not talking about me. So nobody is ever talking about you. They're only talking about themselves. If you start listening to them as they're talking about themselves, it'll be such a laughter challenge. It is. I do enjoy that. So Vijay said, that's how I am, but can't make that my reality. Interesting point of view, Vijay. World my home. Wow, we love it, and we would like even more of you. Oh, thank you. Hugs. Hi Sharad, thank you for coming to the space. We love listening to you. Maddie says, thank you, Maddie. What if that is who we be? Infinite. We are infinite, and that's what showed up. What are you refusing to be? And I was like, I was refusing to be the infinite I truly be, and now what else is possible? How did we get so lucky, Umesh? Thank you. How did I get so lucky, guys? What if I am new in each moment? It's not if. Don't doubt it, Monica. It's not if. We are new. Yeah, 84 lakhs yonis. Yeah, something I always confuse that, Mary. Am I stalking you or what? No, Sharad, you're not stalking. I guess I'm stalking each one of you. I'm like, वो कहते हैं that song from movie, no? मैं यहाँ हूँ, मैं हर जगह हूँ. It's like funny. So some days it happens that I'm on both the Facebook and the Insta. I'm here every day, 11:11. That is my space and place where all these yummy friends are here. So I'm happy to be here every day. Hi Arpita, good morning sweetheart, hope you're well. So guys, any other question? एक पल में जिंदगी जियो. Yes, हर पल में जिंदगी जियो. हर पल में जिंदगी जियो. कौन सा पल ऐसा है कि जिंदगी ना जियो? जिंदगी जीने के लिए उसको जिंदा होके जियो, जिंदा दिली से जियो. Correct. So yeah, every day is a new day. So look for your peace, look for your ease. What is your peace and what is your ease? And what if you did not buy anybody else's story that what is peace and ease, and ask what is peace and ease for me, and go within yourself and let every molecular structure of yours know that this is peace, this is ease, and what more, and keep adding to it, and just calm, relax, 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 and relax, and just receive, relax, and release. Receive, relax, and release anything that every time it doesn't show up, just keep telling yourself relax, relax, and relax. It's funny. Before I go, I just wanted to say there's a guy called Bimol who used to do this. Silva, I guess he's still alive. I wonder what I did it when I was like 22, 23. So I did the Silva method course with my family, and he used to say relax, and I used to laugh with my brother-in-law and my family, like relax. Bimol says relax, and I till date use that, but it really works. So relax, 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 and whenever you're into the tough moments, in your weird zones, go look for something nice, fun, joyful, distract yourself, and it helps. And change the energy, because if you'll say I'm sad, you will be sad. You'll say I'm joyful, you will be joyful. Consciousness is everywhere. So maybe sadness might be your joy. That is okay. And I'm not saying don't be sad. If you want to be sad, that's also a choice. Cool. Awesome, everyone. See you again tomorrow at 11:11. And anybody joining us for Out of Control, Being You, Foundation, or any other classes, please get in touch with my team. And love you all loads, and gratitude for showing up here. That's why we are here every day, Simran. Oh, thank you. And how did I get so lucky? It's like 7 o'clock is my morning. Be the change question that wakes me up wherever in the world I am, whatever time is. Like, I'm so committed. Now this 11:11 is my new space, and thank you for you all to make it so special for me. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Hi Poonam, good morning, and bye for now. You'll have to re-listen. I have a class showing up now, and I'll go. Bye. Thanks, Ravi. Bye.